Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Spiritual Guidance. Today's topic of discussion is karma. Today, I'm gonna tell you the origin, meaning, and how does it work. How does karma work? Let's start. So, meaning of karma. Karma, it's a Sanskrit word which primarily means action, reaction, whatever goes around, come back around. The term karma connects actions and results, good and bad happenings experienced in this life or are aggregate results of deeds in this and previous life. So karma is not just related to this life where of the current life or the current world we are living in. In Hindu mythology, it says that you experience in your current world not just what you have done in this current life, but the stuff or the actions which you have done in your previous life as well. So sometimes people do ask this question that I am doing everything right and why I'm facing all the wrong things in my life. It may be because that you are doing things everything right in this life, but your past life karma is affecting you now, or you are repaying the debts which you are carrying from your past life. So origin, the karma term or word first originated or first appeared in oldest Hindu text Rig Veda. Hinduism has four Vedas which include Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atha Veda. These are the one of the most ancient text, or you can say uh, mythological books which were written in the history of the world. Okay. So forms of karma. Now, this is my own understanding about karma. That there are two forms of karma. One is physical and one is non-physical or spiritual. Now, what is physical form? Physical form is an action which is the physical act physically performed by a person. Now, physically performed action, if I have to explain it or if I have to give an example, the example would be that um, a person is physically causing harm to someone, like if he's creating a lot of obstacles or he's physically abusing someone, physical abuse. Um, so that could be classified as physical action. Now physical action can also trigger both type of actions. It could be physical and non-physical suffering. So physical suffering would be that someone is physically harmed, and because of the physical harm the person might endure a trauma. So he or she would have a psychological effect of that physical harm. Now that physical and psychological suffering will become a part of your karma, which will come back to you. Another one is non-physical or spiritual. So non-physical or spiritual form of karma is when you have jealousy or greediness, or when you do backstabbing, when or even when you release negative energy for someone, right? So here you are just thinking about causing harm to someone, or thinking bad, releasing bad energy by thinking something wrong about someone. You have not done anything physical yet. The moment you will think in your head, you have performed as non-physical spiritual karma. That's why in a lot of religious activities or religions, what they always try to focus is that never even think anything wrong about anyone. If you want to have some sort of feeling, you must have compassion, you must have happiness, you must have love, you must have empathy for people, because that will form a spiritual karma for you. So when you the type of energy which is released from a body of a person, it travels in the universe and it come back to him or her, because that sort of energy is released from a specific spirit or a soul in the body. So when the energy is released in the universe, that energy is attracted by the person who originated it, where it originated from. So it will always come back to that person in different forms. It could come in a physical form or a spiritual form. That's why people go through physical hardships, and sometimes emotional or psychological hardships as well. Story of a monk. So I read the story on one of the online journals, where this monk, he he had his students. So one day, one student was saw his guru, or his preacher. His preacher had he had a physical suffering. He got hit by something, and he started bleeding. And the monk, instead of weeping for the pain, and instead of doing that, he just started feeling happy, and he started singing songs, and he started showing emotions, and which confused the student went to the guru, and he asked the guru that, Guruji, if I would have had that sort of suffering, I would be crying, I would be in pain, I would be in vain. How come you are so happy going through that much of pain? Then the guru said that I'm happy that I'm going through this pain, because this pain is a result of a karma which I would have done to someone, maybe in this life or in past life. It is my bad karma which came, and I have repaid the debt of that karma. So now I am one bad karma less in my life. So I've moved on, which is a good thing. So why should I be unhappy that I'm going through this pain? I should be happy that I've repaid a debt of a bad karma which I've done before. So this story is such a mind. Um, it, it gives you it gives a person a drive, because a lot of people who are doing the right thing in their life, they think that everything happening every time they're doing good thing in their life, but everyone is doing bad thing towards them. So it's not that you're doing good thing and everything coming bad thing is coming because you might have done something in your previous life, or something which you're repaying. Now the good thing, what you need to do is keep on doing the good work. Do not hold any grudge for anyone, do not hold any strong emotion which is a negative emotion for anyone. Just keep yourself clean from outside, from your actions, and spiritually from your thinking. So when you do that, you will get rid of once you have got rid of all the bad karmas, physical and spiritual. You will find yourself at more peace, inner peace. You will gain that inner peace and satisfaction in your life, and everything will make sense to you. The good thing about universe is universe knows how to balance things. Okay, universe know how to balance things. So don't think that someone is causing pain to you or causing harm to you means no one is looking at, no one is taking care of it. No, universe will take care of it. It's not your job to take care of it. If someone is doing something wrong to you, then you need to experience, you need to learn the outcome from that, so that it is not repeated again in your life. That's what the life is. That's why we are here on this earth, planet earth, to experience things. I'm gonna upload another video of the purpose of life, in which I would explain the purpose and the experiences which we go through on daily basis or in the lifetime, and how do we process that information and get over things, get over hurdles and hardships in our life. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment box. I would be happy to find